Now I'll be starting with question number 1 of exercise 12.1. Now question number 1 says simplify combining like terms. So at first we will combine the like terms and then we will have to simplify it. If it is not like term, then we cannot add or subtract. So we can add or subtract if the terms are like terms, okay? So whenever we'll simplify this any expression, at first we will just combine the like terms, okay? Now in the first part we have 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Now see, we know that like terms means the same variable, same power, right? So here we have b, b and b. So these three are like terms. So we will put this together. 21b plus 7b minus 20b. So these three are like term. And minus 32 is unlike term. So we will put at the end. Okay. Now here we can add this to, as these are like terms. So 21 plus 7. We'll just add the coefficient. So coefficient of b is 21 and from the second term coefficient of b is 7. So 21 plus 7 is 28b minus 20b minus 32. Now 28 minus 20, it's 8. Now we'll write the variables, so it's 8b minus 32. Now these cannot be further simplified as in the first term variable is present and this is the constant. So these two are unlike terms, so it cannot be simplified further. So answer of the first part will be 8b minus 32. Okay, now coming to second part. Now in the second part we have minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. So we'll arrange the like terms at first. So here we have z square, here we have z square. So these two are like terms, so we'll put this together. This is already arranged, okay? So we'll just put this together. Now here we have z term and here we have z term. Now here power of z is 3 and here power of z is 1 and here power of z is 1. So this is unlike term, so we'll put this at the end and we'll put minus 5z and minus 15z together as these two are like term, and 7z cube will be put at the end as this is unlike term. Now we know that now these two are like terms, so we will simplify it. Now one is plus and another is minus, so plus minus minus. Now coefficient of z square is 13 and coefficient of the first term, coefficient of z square in the first term is 1. So 13 minus 1 is how much? It's 12, right? 13 minus 1 is 12. Now here sign of 13 is greater, so it will be 12z squared. 12 will be positive, okay? Now these two are like terms, so these and these to be simplified. Now minus minus plus, so 15 plus 5 it's 20z, and since both the digit is having negative sign, so it will be minus, right? And then we will put the like term, which is 7z cube. Now we can see that in the first term we have z square, in the second term we have z, and in the third term we have z cube. So since the power of z is different, so these are unlike term and it cannot be simplified further. So the answer of the second part will be 12z square minus 20z plus 7z cube. Okay. Here we can do one thing. We can arrange the power here. Here highest degree means highest power is 3. So we can put this at first. Then we can put 12z square. 12 sign of 12 will be plus. Why? Because in front of this no sign is present, so that means it is considered to be plus sign. Okay, and then we will put minus 20z. You all can write the answer in this form also. But if you want to arrange this, it should be arranged in this way, okay, according to the power 3, 2 and then 1. Okay, now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have p minus q minus q minus q minus p. So this p will remain same. Now here minus and then we have bracket. That means this minus sign will be multiplied with p and then it will be multiplied by q. So minus into p. So minus p it will be. Then minus into minus q. So minus plus q. Right? Now again we have minus sign. Then we have q. Then again this minus sign will be multiplied by this and this gradually. So minus q and then minus plus p. Okay, now here p is positive and here p is negative. So we know that plus minus minus, so p minus p is 0. So we can cancel this too. Similarly q minus q also will be cancelled. So answer is minus q plus p. Only this is left out. So p minus q will be the answer of the third part. Okay. So this way we will have to combine the like terms and then we will have to simplify it. Okay. So this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.